Welcome back to OceanBase YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Annie from the OceanBase Global team. It's great to have you with us. Today, we're diving into another AI-related topic, how to integrate OceanBase Cloud with LangChain, a popular framework for building language model applications. If you're exploring how to combine vector databases with large language models for smarter apps, you're in the right place. Let's get started. LangChain is an innovative open-source framework crafted for developing powerful applications using LLMs. These advanced AI systems, trained on massive datasets, can produce human-like text with remarkable accuracy. It makes it easier to create LLM-driven applications by providing a comprehensive toolkit that simplifies the integration and enhances the functionality of these sophisticated models. LangChain was launched by Harrison Chase and Ankush Gola in October 2022. It has gained popularity among developers and AI enthusiasts for its robust features and ease of use. Its initial goal was to link LLMs with external data sources, enabling the development of context-aware, reasoning applications. Over time, LangChain has advanced into a useful toolkit for building LLM-powered applications. By integrating LLMs with real-time data and external knowledge bases, LangChain empowers businesses to create more sophisticated and responsive AI applications, driving innovation and improving service delivery across various sectors. LangChain comes with a bunch of useful features that make it easier to build real LLM applications. First, it's built around modular components like prompts, retrievers, chains, and tools, so you can pick what you need and plug things together easily. It also supports external data sources, so your model isn't just guessing from its training, it can pull in real, up-to-date information. You get tools for prompt engineering, which help you structure inputs clearly and consistently. LangChain also makes it easy to build RAG pipelines, that's Retrieval-Augmented Generation, where it searches for relevant content before calling the language model. It even supports memory, so your app can remember what was said earlier and hold context across multiple turns. And finally, it offers tools for deployment and monitoring, making it easier to go from prototype to production. Since version 4.3.3, OceanBase supports vector data storage, vector indexes, and vector retrieval. This means you can store embeddings in OceanBase and run high-performance vector searches using standard SQL. Today, we'll see how to connect it with LangChain for document-based Q and A part. Alright, before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you'll need to get started. First, make sure you have a running OceanBase Cloud instance in MySQL-compatible mode. Then, create a database and a user account with read and write access, just the basics to connect and store data. On the Python side, you'll need Python 3.9 or later, plus pip and a few required libraries, pyobvector, scope, LangChain, and poetry for dependency management. And one more thing, don't forget to go into the OceanBase console and make sure to set the vector memory limit to 30% in your instance settings. The parameter name is OB-vector memory limit percentage. This enables the vector retrieval feature on your instance. Once that's all set, you're good to go. Go to the OceanBase Cloud console, find your instance, and copy the public connection string. Add your current IP to the whitelist and get ready to use this connection in your Python code. Next, go to Alibaba Cloud Model Studio and get an API key for Qwen. Then, set the environment variable like this. Alright, now let's build the app step by step. First, we'll clone the integration code from the OceanBase official website. It already includes everything we need to work with OceanBase and LangChain. Then, we'll load a sample document. In this case, we're using the US State of the Union speech as an example. Next, we'll use LangChain's character text splitter to break the document into smaller chunks, so they're easier to store and search. And finally, we'll store those chunks as vector embeddings in OceanBase, using the pyobvector library. Now ask a question like, what did the president say about Ketanji Brown Jackson? The system performs a semantic search through OceanBase and returns relevant text blocks, which are then passed to the LLM for a complete answer. That's how easy it is to combine OceanBase Cloud, LangChain, and Qwen to build intelligent, vector-powered document question and answer apps. Check the video description for links to the code and documentation. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on OceanBase Vector Search. See you in the next video.